What is up, guys? Terminators, Trains, and more. And hold over this little guy. Today I'm probably going to be testing all of my locomotives, probably adding all the cargoes and all that. But except these ones. These ones does not have the locomotives. But anyways, hold up. This probably not. Nah. I was going to add that, but it won't probably fit because it goes around and it usually uncouples right there. I'm like, what the fuck? Sorry for my language. Here we go. And this is my Spirit of America. There you have it. I have a different transmitter, and I got one down there. Hold up. Right there, that's a transmitter. I call it a transmitter, but anyways, trying to unrail this. And rail this one. Let me check. Very good. Alright. This one kind of smokes, but the smoke won't work. Shit. This thing derailed. Gotta reset this one. Because this one derailed. That's that one. This, I don't know. I had this for a few days, but it kind of works. Usually it gains up its speed, just like that. Yeah, you can see the little people running. Yeah, kind of hard. Santa Fe. I'm just doing the locomotives. Next video I will do this again. But I'm going to add in the cargoes. But let me try to get this rail on. So usually this one don't run. Usually I don't do that, Hello guys, it's engine, sorry. But it's at full speed as you can see. Yeah, I gotta back this up. No, I still got this other Santa Fe, which runs pretty good, Usually this one won't work that much because I don't know, it's probably the wheels I heard. Comment down, And that's my other Santa Fe. Now run around one more time, and then yep. And hold on, I'll just check. Well, I got this little special cargo that I like. This one usually lights up, you know. Hold up. Hold up. Don't you? I know it lights up. As you can see, I'm shining it around. Boop. But yeah, that's a little light. And this one, hold on. Yeah, this one, but the other one is still broken. That was pretty much the first cargo that I actually got, you know. Pretty much all of them, you know. This one just lights up. As you can see, I don't know if, yep, you can see it right there. And it goes out. Just like that. And yep, next video I am going to be adding the cargos. And if I'm able to, I'll record this one, the little Western Express. Yeah. Stay tuned. See you on the next locomotive.